In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to a cold wallet. To do this, first gonna open up Kraken and just head over to your portfolio. And if you're on mobile, click transfer and then withdraw. If you're on desktop, just click on withdraw right here. Now here, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer over to your cold wallet, whether that's a Ledger or a Tracer wallet, whichever one you have. For example, I'll go with Bitcoin, and then select a network, and then just pick whichever one you want to use. Just make sure that you select the same one on your cold wallet. Now, for example, I'll use Bitcoin, and from there click Add Withdrawal Address. Now here you will need to get your withdrawal address from the cold wallet you're using. To do that, just open up the companion app, for example the Ledger mobile app. From there go to deposit or transfer and then deposit, and then select the same cryptocurrency, in my case Bitcoin, and select the same network, in my case also Bitcoin. From there it will give you a deposit address, so here you just want to paste that in the withdrawal address, since here you're withdrawing, and you can give it a nickname such as Ledger Bitcoin, just whichever cold wallet you use and whichever currency it is, just for you to recognize it later. From there you want to click on Add Withdrawal Address, and they will then send you an email as a confirmation, and it will then show up in your list, so you can then select it, choose how much you want to send, and from there just go and click on review and confirm if you want to send it. Now I recommend sending a small amount first, and then if it arrives, which it should if you follow these steps, from there you can then send the rest of your crypto. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Kraken to a cold wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.